Okay, so how you can check if your camera is connected to mobile hotspot mini Wi-Fi box? First of all, check to be sure you have full charge the device, and check if you have put a SIM card here and the SIM card have a credit or internet option active. Okay, so if you buy the router from our company, all settings is made inside, so you no need to do nothing. Keep in mind to not reset device. Here you have a reset button. Try to not reset. This is because if you reset, you have to set from zero all router. You must put inside all settings. So keep in mind, try to not reset from this button. If I now, if when the router is on, if I press this reset button and if I keep press for 10 seconds, all information is deleted from the router, and I have to set from the zero from beginning to put all settings. So if you buy a router from our company, the Wi-Fi name is hidden, so you cannot find. If I will go, my advice is to use a laptop to check if camera is connected because it's more easy. I will enable the Wi-Fi, and if I search here, I not find the Wi-Fi name for the camera. If you reset the router here, you will be see this name from here, Huawei A5576. This is the default name for Wi-Fi. But when you reset from us, this router is another name and is hidden. You cannot find. So keep in mind when you go to Wi-Fi and search Wi-Fi, you no need to find this name. If you find this Huawei name, this means the Huawei router is resetted, and you have to reset from zero to make all settings. You can find another video to see how you can set the router from zero. So in my case, I will search, okay, and I not find. This is a local from my building, is internet from my building, local network. So let's try again. I will go to Wi-Fi, I will enable, I search, not find nothing, only hidden network. Okay, I press the hidden network, I press connect, I put the name, all letter with small, okay, net cafe. Okay, I hope it's clear. Oops. Okay, this is the name, net cafe. It's very important to be the same. Okay, and you press next, and after this you have to put the password. The password is copy@at 2019. Okay, let's be sure you see and the password. Okay, I will show you the password. So this is the password, copy@at 2019, without space, and all letter must be with small. I press next. Yes, if something requests me, I press next. Okay, let's see where is the problem, because I think I have a problem. He told me can't connect to this network. So let's see what can I do in this case. The router, oh my god, I think the router is off. Yeah, the battery I think is off, so I have to turn on again. Let's put a little bit to charge. Okay, so okay, I will disable the Wi-Fi. I wait a little bit, and after that, because you need around 1 minute for the router to start to loading the file. So I enable Wi-Fi, and I will go back to hide the network. Let's see if it's working. Connect net cafe, copy add to 2019 0. Let's check if it's right. Yeah, it's right, and I hope it's work. Yeah, it's working. So now I will connect to the Netcafe. Keep in mind, if you connect before to this Netcafe, you no need to put at hidden network, because if you connect again, he stored this information for the Wi-Fi in the laptop. So the next time when you go and you will connect to with Wi-Fi to the same router, only you must select which one you want to connect. So in this case, I will connect now. Let's open a browser, and here I have to put the IP address for my router. You can find on the cover, is right here, is 192.168.8 and 1, that one. So okay, so I put the IP address in the bar, not search on Google, okay? Go up in the bar and put on the bar, and I press enter. Now, if you receive the router from our company, the default password for access interface is the same, Copiat 2019. Let's wait to loading the web interface. It's a little slow. Okay, so here I have to put the password. What's happening? Usual is a little more fast, but I don't know what is wrong now. Okay, here I have to put the password, the same password, Copiat 2019. Okay, let's check if it's right. Yeah, it's right, and I press connect. And now I enter in the web interface, and I can configure it, or can I check some settings about my router. I don't know, but I don't know why it's a little slow connection. Let's make a refresh. Okay, this is the interface. So here I can see some useful information. Here is a signal. If something is wrong here, for sure you can find information about your connection. Here all time, here you must have traffic, download and upload, and must be with green. But what I want to check if my camera is connected. Okay, so I will go to devices, and here I have device connected to the this router. What is with this kind of color, blue, intense blue? This means online, and second, you see the blue light is not so intense. This means offline. So my camera now is offline. I will go to turn on the camera. Okay, keep in mind, if you have a pro version, the red light must start and green light must, you can see, you have to see the green light flashing. So the green light start flashing, okay, and in maximum 1 minute from here I cheat the name of the camera, but if you have a light version, is then another name, he go up and is with intense blue. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, done. My camera now is online. So if you have camera online, and if you go to the starting screen and if you have signal here, you have upload and download, maybe you can try to make a speed test. And this is a strange situation. My location is out of the city, is a nearby city, so here the signal is not so good. You see it, I have full strength of signal, but when I make a speed test, you will be see the speed is damaged. Is very low. In my case, I will show you. So let's make a speed test. This is the problem. It's a big problem for camera, because camera he need a good internet connection. You can see I have only 4 megabytes per second for download, and for upload I guess is the same. Is the worst case for me, because you see I have a full signal, but my GSM network is very slow, have a very bad quality. So in this case, only I can do to change another SIM card from another network. I have Orange, but maybe you have Verizon, you have T-Mobile. Try to change with another. But this is important to be in the area where you want to use. Okay, not here, because here I'm home, and in a real situation the camera I will not use home. I will use in another place. So it's very important in the place where you want to use. So you can see the upload is damaged. It's very low. In this case, my camera for sure cannot work with a high speed, or maybe cannot work in only one level or 3 level, but it's more easy to use with the picture mode, because the picture he not lose the quality of the image when I receive. You will receive a little more slower. You not receive a picture in 10 seconds, 20 seconds, maybe in 30 or 40 seconds, but the quality is the same. Here, the quality not depend on live streaming. Quality depend of the speed of your internet. In the picture mode, the quality is not affected by the speed of your internet. So maybe you can check, okay, and try to improve this upload and download speed. You can change the SIM card. So in my case, now the camera is online. Keep in mind, after you start the camera, you have to wait around 3 minutes, and only after 3 minutes I can go to the app and I can try to connect to access my camera. Not try from after immediately after you start the camera, because you have to give a little time to the camera to load in the file and to connect to the internet, to the server.